Let's create a profile. In order for you to attack the negative items on your credit report, you must import your client or yourself into the software. How you can complete this task, you will click Manage Client. So let's go ahead and click there. Once you click Manage Client, you will then click Add Client. So let's click there. After you have clicked Add Client, you're going to complete all the required or input all the required information here. Next, you want to import your credit report. We have 4 options: My Free Score Now, Smart Credit, My Score IQ, and Identity IQ. Please reference the videos on how to upload those reports. Next, we will upload our documents, which can be your ID, Social Security card, and if you do not have a copy of your Social Security card, you can use the first page of your tax form, passport, or green card, and an address verification document, which can be a utility bill, first page of bank statement. Anything that has your name and your current address listed there can be used. Keep in mind, if your ID and your address verification does not match in regards to the address, it is fine to upload both documents. Next, you will click Save, and your information should have saved into the software like this. All the required tabs have been imported or completed. That credit report has been uploaded successfully, and if you're utilizing the My Free Score Now, this is how it should be listed. And your identification documents. Be sure to mock what you see here as far as the clarity. If you know how to crop out the background of your documents as well, do that. But be sure that you do upload all 3 documents. Once this process has been completed, you can then go to your work area to attack the negative items on the credit report.